Before starting the video, we will be talking about this picture today. This picture, this guy named Napoleon. I hope most of you have been heard of him. So what he is doing in this picture, you are seeing young Napoleon studying in the library. He studied geography, map, wars. When he was young, other children were playing with football and other things, while Napoleon was playing with stones, sticks, planning the war before it happened in his head. He was preparing through which direction he should attack, what strategy he should follow when he was very young. And in this picture, you are seeing his shadow, the light coming from nearby window showing his shadow on the wall. On the wall, you see the map of Europe. Long before Napoleon became a war leader, a hero for Europe, as a student, his historical record says that his destiny as a conqueror was already present in his disciplined, solitary study as a student. We should also learn from history, and we should also learn from Napoleon. As GATE exam of this year has been ended, but the strategy, the things that are very important for exam, they must be studied from right today. You cannot wait for another year to be wasted again. So hello everyone, myself Ujjwal. I'm a mechanical engineering I did mechanical engineering B.Tech and design engineering from M.Tech from IIT जयपुर. तो आज डिस्कस करेंगे कि गेट के पेपर के बाद यू शुड जॉइन एन M.Tech और नॉट. तो कंटेक्स्ट दे देता हूँ इस वीडियो का. वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉलेजेस, वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट सिनेरियो देयर, and we will be talking about the future growth in it. So there are two types of colleges that you will get, IIT और NIT. प्राइवेट कॉलेज की बात नहीं करेंगे, है ना. IIT और NIT, इसमें भी IIT में भी दो तरह के कॉलेजेस हैं, पुरानी IIT और मीडियम IIT, और जो न्यू खुली है बाद में. इफ़ यू गेट एनी 5 old IIT, that will depends on your rank. If you are a general candidate and your ranks is coming around 1000 to 3000, then you can expect a call from an old IIT with a good branch. But if you are having a rank of 5000, 6000, 7000, still you can expect a call. Coming from an IIT, but it depends that you will get an intermediary branch. तो बात करते हैं कि मतलब कौन सा कॉलेज किस तरह की चीज़ें देता है. तो देखो, M.Tech के दौरान व्हाट हैपन इज यू विल हैव योर फर्स्ट ईयर दैट विल बी हैविंग पेपर्स इन इट. तो इट विल बी सेम लाइक B.Tech ओनली. तो आपके 2 सेमेस्टर होंगे, टोटल 4 सेमेस्टर होते हैं M.Tech में. आपके 2 सेमेस्टर होंगे जिसके आपको रिटर्न थ्योरी पेपर देने होते हैं. थर्ड सेमेस्टर में आपकी PPT प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू हो जाती है, प्रोजेक्ट मिल जाएगा. और फोर्थ ईयर में आपको प्रोजेक्ट होगा जो सबमिट करना पड़ेगा. उसमें क्या प्रोसेस किया, क्या आपने रिसर्च किया, इसके लिए आपको रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश करने होते हैं. और प्रोजेक्ट बनाने भी होते हैं. कुछ AI बिल्ड हो सकता है, ML मशीन लर्निंग वाला प्रोग्राम हो सकता है, कुछ फैब्रिकेशन वाला प्रोजेक्ट हो सकता है. तो ये सब चीज़ें आपको M.Tech में करनी होती है. तो अगर आप M.Tech के साथ वापस गेट देना चाहते हैं, यू आर हैविंग अ रैंक ऑफ 3000, 4000, 5000, इट मीन्स यू हैव studied seriously. There are 70-80,000 people gave this year gate. You are in top 5%. So you are a serious guy. You have studied. You have views all the video lectures. You have studied yourself for gate. तो अब मैं कहूँगा कि 1 साल बैठ के सिर्फ गेट की तैयारी करने से अच्छा है join an M.Tech program. You don't need thousands hours now. You just need 3 to 4 hours a day for practicing previous gate year question, revising the notes, revising the short notes, and giving the test. That is only that things that you require. क्योंकि I have seen people who have got 1000 rank and the next year with job and during M.Tech they studied continuously for 1 year, giving every day 3 to 4 hours for those questions solving ability. They improve those things and that had made all the difference and they have even topped the exam also. तो ये चीज़ सही रहेगी कि आप M.Tech ज्वाइन कर लें, क्योंकि एक गैप आ जाता है आपके और उस पीरियड के बीच में जो आपको डीमोटिवेट करता है, तो वो चीज़ ना हो इसके लिए ये कर सकते हैं. हमने अभी पहले नेपोलियन की वीडियो देखी थी, तो स्ट्रेटेजाइज करनी है चीज़ों को. आपको हमने इस चैनल पे एक वीडियो बना रखी है, उसमें बताया था आपको कि कौन सा सब्जेक्ट कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. इम्पोर्टेंस के हिसाब से सब्जेक्ट को ख़त्म करना है. और एक चीज़ और, अभी एग्ज़ाम का मेला ख़त्म हुआ नहीं है, अभी BARC का पेपर बचा है. तो अगर आपकी रैंक 3-4 हज़ार 5,000 है, लग रहा है एक्सपेक्टेड रैंक इतनी है, तो भी BARC ईजिली यू कैन गेट थ्रू इट, क्योंकि उसका पेपर होने वाला है. और काफ़ी लड़के जो हैं वो बीच में चीज़ें छोड़ देते हैं. हम चीज़ें नहीं छोड़ने वाले, तैयारी करते रहो. यू नेवर नो व्हाट यू विल मेक थ्रू इट, है ना. तो M.Tech के दौरान यू विल गेट ए स्टाइपेंड ऑफ 12,400 रुपीज़. दैट विल मेक यू लेस रिलायबल ऑन योर फैमिली. यू विल हैव सम मनी इन योर हैंड. सो तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि मतलब घर से पैसे मांगने पड़ रहे हैं एट द एज ऑफ 22, 24, 25. तो वो चीज़ थोड़ी सही रहती है. आई हैव सीन पीपल हु गोज इनटू एन ओल्डर IIT विथ लोअर ब्रांच and still able to crack a good decent, and even the placement of an old IIT will be 50 to 20 lakh that a PSU pay around. And even people with the lower academic background can easily get through it if you work enough hard in those 1 to 2 years during M.Tech. People chooses data science jobs more there because there is the opportunity, there is the money that is flowing currently. But I got place in a automobile sector company also. So in mechanical you will have 4 sector to choose from: design, industrial, production and thermal. So while filling the form, I would say design placements are more because design requirements are more. So you can place according to interest also, but if you don't know what is your interest, to follow, please fill the forms according to it: design, thermal, production and industrial, or industrial and production, that you can choose whichever. But why I am saying is because the more number of companies are coming from industrial and thermal, you will have more R&D research company working on those field. You will see more number of aircraft companies are working on turbulent and laminar flow. If you have good knowledge of those things, if you have good hands-on experience of AutoCAD software, design software, SolidWorks, analysis software, finite element method analysis software, then you will be a great candidate to hire for. So these things that you can do in M.Tech. You can go for an older IIT, intermediate branch also. If you are getting a new IIT, then you should also try to get into that robotics and artificial intelligence branch also, because there also by learning Python and other coding things, other coding language, you can get yourself into a good placement company. I have seen people did the M.Tech in electronics, changes company, and now they are working in NVIDIA with a very high packages. So you never know what will happen ना. तो तैयारी करते रहो, काम करते रहो. गेट के बाद अगर गेट का पेपर सही नहीं गया तो सब कुछ खत्म नहीं हो जाता. डोंट गेट डीमोटिवेटेड योरसेल्फ. These 2-3 years of your life will decide how much money you will earn, what kind of life you will give to your family. So do your hard work now. Okay. So I have discussed about the colleges of IIT, and if you are getting an NIT, then do get first 7 to 8 top NITs. Like okay, NIT Warangal, NIT Calicut. Try to get into those NIT. And if you able to get, field branches, as I said, design, thermal, industrial, production industrial, or whatever you think that is suitable for your interest. Okay, but don't sit idle at your home. In M.Tech, you will have 5 to 6 hours of classes only. and you will get enough time to prepare for GATE or any other exam. But you are having a degree also after 2 years. So what make a difference? You by now you will know that off campus job market is very hard to get cracking, you know. So if you have a support of college, that will build your base. Whatever happen, the college will support you. You will be easily getting the college support, the college placement team support, and the basic minimum package will be higher for a college, for a college graduating guy if he is getting job from his college campus also. तो कैंपस में पैसा ज़्यादा मिलता है, ऑफ कैंपस में जाओगे तो आधा मिलता है. तो ट्राई कि जब तुम सीरियसली तैयारी कर रहे हो उसके साथ M.Tech कर लो, क्योंकि इफ़ यू हैव डिड ऑल द थिंग्स दैट इज़ पॉसिबल इन दिस 1 year GATE, then you don't need to sit idle for 1 year. You just need 3 to 4 hours daily practicing for GATE question, and you will be more than that will be more than enough, that I can say. The placement opportunity that M.Tech will give you in mechanical domain field will be space sector startups. If you get into an college like IISc, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, you can also go and pursue your interest in PhD. PMRF go provide PhD money like 74,000, 75,000, even 1 lakh rupees. For PhD, if you're getting this much money in India, that is a good thing. So these are the opportunity that you can get. You can go into automobile sector, you can go into production sector, Reliance, Adani. These are also hiring. Many startups are coming. And if you have a startup entrepreneurial type of guy, then many incubation center are currently opening in many IITs and NITs. You can go and explore things there. If you have that kind of a mindset that I want to create my own company, that can also be happen. That can also be happen by that incubation center. You will have the guidance of teachers, you will have guidance of entrepreneurs that they are having. तो वो जो चीज़ है वो बाहर नहीं मिलेगी तुम्हें. You will get a tag of a good college. You will get tag of, you will be having connection with great people, great mind. So that is a good thing. And I already said the better job opportunity. Off campus you will not able to crack it. In campus it is very easy. Dassault will come, Reliance will come, many other companies will come. Mahindra, Tata, they all goes to those colleges. So before applying for colleges, download their placement report, talk to their senior in LinkedIn. If you have any question regarding any other things regarding M.Tech or any career opportunity progress, I will try to some people who are already pursuing their M.Tech in those colleges and who have done M.Tech from other colleges will give their feedback that how life has changes, the type of opportunity that they have get from those colleges, and research what you like. बट वो सब करने से पहले BRC पेपर की तैयारी करना है अपने को, है ना. BRC will come, ISRO may come. ISRO currently recruiting from GATE only, but some PSU will can take its own paper also. तो वो सब तैयारी करते रहना है ना. अभी रुकने का टाइम नहीं है. स्ट्रेटेजाइज योर सेल्फ. अब तुम पेपर को एनालिसिस करो कि कहाँ गलतियाँ हुई. हर टेस्ट में गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. रिपीट नहीं करेंगे मिस्टेक हम लोग. और कुछ डाउट है इस वीडियो के अंदर कमेंट करो. वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट. वी विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. इफ वी कैन नॉट सॉल्व इट, वी विल ट्राई टू आवर फ्रेंड्स टू टॉक इट एंड ट्राई टू हेल्प ईच अदर. दैट्स वाई वी आर मेकिंग दिस वीडियो. तो डू योर बेस्ट, ऑलवेज डू ग्रेट थिंग्स. And at last I want to say a slok from Bhagavad Gita. Uddre atmana atmanam na atmanam avsadayet atmev atmarubandhura atmev ripuratmana. It means एक मनुष्य का कर्तव्य है कि वो खुद ही अपना उद्धार करे. वो स्वयं ही अपना शत्रु भी है और स्वयं ही अपना मित्र भी है. तो ट्राई टू बी योर सेल्फ अ फ्रेंड, है ना. और मेहनत करनी है, काम करते रहो. अगर कुछ डाउट है, कुछ रिसोर्सेज चाहिए, कुछ भी चीज़ चाहिए, तो ट्राई टू कमेंट डाउन, पुट योर कमेंट्स डाउन, कॉन्टैक्ट अस. वी विल बी हेल्पिंग यू इन आवर कैपेबिलिटीज. एंड थैंक यू. हैव अ ग्रेट डे. बाय.